Wondering how to check your Cash App Cash Card balance? There are three main ways: through the Cash App itself, via a digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, or by calling Cash App support. Each method offers a convenient way to stay on top of your funds. Let's explore each option in detail, based on the latest features as of November 2025. Make sure to have your login information handy, and remember that checking your balance is free, though data or ATM fees might apply separately. The first method is through the Cash App itself. Download the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. Log in, tap the balance icon, and view your Cash Card balance under the Cash Card tab. This method provides real-time updates and transaction history. The second method is via a digital wallet. Add your Cash Card to Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Open the wallet app on your device, select the Cash Card, and check the balance in the card details. This integrates with features like Siri or Google Assistant for voice-activated checks. The third method is by calling Cash App support. Call 1-800-969-1940 in the US. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using account details or two-factor authentication. The AI assistant can recite your balance aloud or send it via SMS. Support is available 24/7. Remember, checking your balance is free across all methods, though data usage or ATM fees may apply separately. First, using the Cash App, open the app, typically on iOS or Android. Look for the balance icon, which might be a house or dollar sign. Tap it, and your Cash Card balance will be displayed. This is the most direct method, showing your transaction history. Second, via a digital wallet. If you've added your Cash Card to Apple Pay or Google Pay, open the wallet app, select the Cash Card, and view the balance in the card details. This integrates with device features like Siri or Google Assistant. Finally, using phone support. Call Cash App support at 1-800-969-1940. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, and the AI assistant will provide your balance. Remember, balances can't be checked offline, and security is paramount, with encryption and fraud detection in place. As of 2025, Cash App has over 60 million active users, with the Cash Card being a core feature for many. Keep in mind that new Cash Cards are equipped with dynamic CVV codes for added security.